White House Hotel.
Go.
Hi, good morning. I'd like to make a reservation for the week of July. You have any vacancies?
Yes, ma'am. We have several rooms available for that particular weekend. And what is the date of your arrival?
Go.
At the 24th of July.
And how long will you be staying, ma'am?
I'll be staying at for 2 nights.
How many people is there reservation for?
There will be two of us.
And would you like a room with twin beds or a double bed?
Double bed, please.
And would you partner to have a room with ocean view?
I would like to have an ocean view, and what is the rate of that room?
Your room is 3,500 per night. Now what name will be reservation listed under?
Joyce and Perillo.
Last name for me, please.
Go.
Yes, it's Perillo. Perillo.
And is there a phone number where you can be contacted?
Go.
My cell phone number is 0910-690-5109.
Thank you. I need your credit card for information to receive the room for you. What type of credit card it?
Go.
BDO.
And what is the name of the credit card holder?
Um, the name of the card is Joyce Ann Perillo, and the number is 987-456 and 231.
Early night, Miss Pirillo, your reservation has been moved for July 24th. A room with a double bed and view of the ocean view. Check in at 2 o'clock. If you have other question, please do not to call us. One, two. Great. Yes, thank you. My pleasure. Me. See you in July, Miss Pereiro. You have a nice day.
Thank
Well, thank you, Sir Elmer. See you on the 24th of July.